Hi all, in this short video I will show you how to complete task thanks for playing. Um, in this task you need to be liquidating. So first we go to the deposit. For example, if you think that price of Ethereum will go down, you need to deposit it. For example, I deposit 1 Ethereum. Send transaction and waiting. When transaction complete, close the window and go to borrow. And now I need to borrow keys. I press here, one tap, and use max. As you see, I have collateral ratio 200%, but I need more less is it possible, and you need to press here unlock and change collateral ratio to 150%. Now press borrow and send transaction. When transaction complete, close the window, and now if you go home, you can see that your health now is 150%. For the liquidation, you need to have 140 or less percent, and it's not automation for now. And then you need to check it regularly and wait for volatility on market. When Ethereum price will change, you can see that your collateral ratio changing too. If it will be grow up, you need go to borrow and deposit again and close your position and do all steps again. But if your collateral ratio go less than 140%, you need to copy your address and go to special Discord channel in game and send a message like this: liquidate me please, your address and how many percent now you have. No, for example, I write 125 and when user with operator or role or like me, operator sees this message, he can liquidate your position. For now, as I say, it's not automatic. Only users with this role can do it. But if you don't want to waiting when operator find it, you can open in Telegram special bot. It's Kresko liquidator bot. I sent a link on it in comment, and you must press start and paste your address. Send your address to bot, and now bot says that my wallet does not meet. It's error because I have a very high collateral ratio, but if it's will be less than 140%, bot liquidate your position and send message with link on this transaction. After that, you can back in your profile and your mission will be complete. If you have questions, you can write in Discord or in my Telegram, and I will help you. Thanks for watching.